Hello, pedal steel players. If you'd like to build your own Pac A Seat, I have come up with a nice set of plans where you can do just that with this design, and it'll look like this when you get done. A completed seat. This is the top piece of the seat right here, and it's covered with some quality vinyl. You can choose your own vinyl. And then on the inside of the lid, we put a piece of foam to keep everything quiet and nice and staying in place. And it's got a good heavy duty hinge on the lid. And it also, you see how it fastens to the back of the seat here in this photo. And it's a it's a quality stainless steel hinge. And if you'd like to purchase the plans to download this, go to jimmyhudson.com. Thank you and have a great day.